Hello, I am Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you for those old subscribers that are returning back, and the new subscribers. You're all welcome. Here we're entertaining and we are informative and we're educative, and we're going to continue to tell you more of what is happening in the homeland, um, the progress in the homeland. We're going to show you the Ugwunwasike road in Ogidi that Professor Soludo has almost completed the road which has been in a bad state, and today he went on inspection. He went on inspection on this particular road. So we must say that it seems some people are saying, oh, this man is all over the place. That is everywhere, walking everywhere. So, but the drivers all were there, and we are talking about how bad this road has been. And without giving you much of expo, remember this Anambra state. This is what is happening in Anambra state. And Anambra State is in Nigeria, southeast of Nigeria, and the governor is the former erudite professor of professor of economics. Soludo is the present day governor of the state. So we are going to turn the volume so that you can listen to what people are saying. Stay.
Drivers were not happy. Fathers are mechanic. If I must get a change oil. Every week.
That's Soludo on the
Thank you. I can remember them. I want to be this one. On the most man. After Monday or two, must I get up off family? Testimony is some of the drivers and the touchy.
From 4 years ago. And I'm not going to Soludo na Bango Osa. I never put that in so. I don't come. And the driver is really happy. The drivers were not happy. Fathers are mechanic. If I must get a change oil. Every week.
Thank you. I can amend it. I want to be this up. On them off, man. After Monday or two, was I the labo family? Testimony is some of the drivers and the touchy.
From 4 years ago. And Soludo na
welcome back. I am Kodili-nye. Remember to like, comment, turn on notification button. Remember to share to every group, to your friends. We are discussing about the Soludo goes for inspection at Ugwunwasike Road in Ogidi, just near the Ogidi International Building Material. This road link old Enugu Road to Expressway. This has been a vital road and has been in a very bad state, and which has allowed some criminals to be operating in that place, robbing and molesting innocent people. Now Soludo has revamped the road, and many people are very, very happy with him. So I do believe that he will be commissioned in no distant time, because the road is almost complete. There are some finishing touches on it, but this is wonderful, because this is what government should be, to solve the people's problem. And Soludo has got a niche for himself for accomplishing this, and we are very glad that he did. And thank you very much for joining us and supporting us. Remember to subscribe to this channel and share also. I am Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. See you in the next video. And I say bye.
Testimony is some of the drivers and the touchy.